Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add custom fonts to your Shopify store. First of all, download your custom font. First, download the font you want to use. You can get free fonts from Google Fonts or the fonts. Next, go to your Shopify dashboard, then choose content, then files, then upload your fonts. But file format is not supported on a trial plan. It only supported on paid plan. Now go to online store, then themes and click edit code on your active theme. In the assets folder, find theme.css or theme.css liquid. At the top, add this code. Replace your font URL with the link copied earlier. Now scroll down and find the body tag. Or specific elements where you want the font. Add this. This will apply the font to your entire store. If you want it for specific elements, use this code. Now click save, then refresh your store to see your new font in action. And that's it. You have successfully added a custom font to your Shopify store. Now enjoy a unique and stylish store font.